to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm going to cook a lovely meal today and I want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to be cooking fish. Excited for today's dinner. And you know what, I decided to make like a bowl, like a Mexican bowl, something like that, but it's going to be a twist on it because the fish is going to be totally different. I'm going to season my way, like with some Jamaican meat seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Just simple. And then I'm going to fry just something simple, quick and easy. I'm going to also have some black beans. I have some pear here and tomato, some sweet potato. I'm going to make some sweet potato. Not going to cook on the stove, don't have time for the oven. And I have purple, it's like a purple onion. I love this onion. When it's sauteed, it tastes so good. And what else? So I'm just going to cook along and you get to see. I'm doing some stir fry sweet corn as well. So you're just going to see how I cook it up in the kitchen. I hope you love this dinner that I'm about to cook. I like it. Definitely going to be playing more like a music over this video so I can hurry up and cook because I don't want to stop. We're hungry and the time is going and I have to go out today. So I'm just going to get everything done. Jamaican seasoning. Olive oil. Add some paprika. I already added the garlic and black pepper. Then I'm going to add some salt. Add some garlic powder, some black pepper,
he comes to when he wants to dance. And I wonder what's the lie. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out.
Okay, so dinner is ready, and now I'm going to start sharing because I'm hungry. So I'm using these dinner bowl. I'm using the black color so you can see all the colors of the food a bit better. So let me get everything together.
Time, I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
This is the sweet potato I made. Looks so good.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out.
That's it for today. I hope you did enjoy this little meal. So this is my lovely dinner. So I'm going to get everyone dinner plated, and I'm going to devour this afterwards.